Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. Today I'm going to make a dust bath for my chickens. You can't just throw chickens in the bathtub like you do a dog, and they have no way to take a bath or clean themselves other than roll around in the dust and the dirt. Well, this coop, it's a static coop. They don't get out and move around, so it has nothing but dirt and chicken poop in it, to be honest with you. But I'm going to do something that's going to help my chickens. I have some coarse sand and I have some diatomaceous earth. I'm going to make them, shh, hey ladies, shh. I'm going to make them a dust bath. That way they can clean themselves, number one. Hey, shh. But number two, if they have mites or chicken lice, then it will help rid them of that. The diatomaceous earth breaks that down. I think someone laid an egg next door. But anyway, the diatomaceous earth breaks that down. So what we're going to do is, I have the bottom of just a plastic 55-gallon drum. We cut this off last year and made a wallow for our little Cooney pig when we first got him. Look how small this is. Now it doesn't even hold the water he drinks in a day. But I've got that. I have some coarse sand that we had sitting in the barn. It's just in an old tub down there. It was too heavy for me to bring the whole thing up here, folks. I'm sorry. But I just scooped about 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket out. So let's see if I can do this like this. Come on, girls. You're gonna like this.
Pretty far.
But folks, this is not your typical bag of the diatomaceous earth. I was at my local feed store and they sell it by the 50-pound bags, but they also sell it by the pound. I didn't want to buy a 50-pound bag, so we're recycling a bag that they had down there. I'm going to get about 3 or 4 good scoops of this. Mix it in. According to all my research, you're supposed to do about 2 parts sand to 1 part of the diatomaceous earth. You can also put in wood ash if you have wood ash. I don't have any, but that's not necessary for this. And I'm going to put the rest of the sand in there. Then we'll give it a good mix. And folks are probably going to eat some of this. Just saying, they eat everything. Everything is mixed up. How many brave ones do we have? Who's going to be first? Okay, folks, the reason you do this clean the chickens, but if they have lice or mites, then the diatomaceous earth dissolves the exoskeleton, which means it kills them. So that is why you use the DE on a lot of things around the farm. I mean, you can also actually put it in their food, but I really don't want to do that because if it gets wet, it's going to cake up in the food. But they're getting curious, and I'm sure they'll be getting in that here in a few minutes and fluttering around once they figure out what it's for. But let's just watch them for a few minutes and see what happens. Have a volunteer. Here. You don't like your bath? Come on. Come here. That's the idea, but you're supposed to do it in there. Well, guys, I'm sure they'll eventually get in it, just like kids. They never do what you want them to do when they're supposed to do it.